Good morning. We're looking at the weekly Ftse chart, and as you can see, Ftse really didn't have a great week last week. However, we did not break through any significant support areas. We hit them, we hit that line, and that will be more clearer obviously on the daily chart. This line that I've drawn on the weekly connecting these two highs comes in at the intersection of the line I have drawn on the daily charts, and that level is 74.48 roughly. Okay, so 74.48, 74.50, that's that trend line there, and that's going to be quite a difficult one to break. If we look across at the Fibonacci levels, you can see you've got the 38.2 coming in at 74.18. Now, even with the down week last week, we still closed above that 94.97 support, and we closed at 75.05. So, you know, Ftse is not looking too good, but you've got to wait until we break certain levels. If we take a look at our indicators on the weekly chart, you can see that the stochastics, although they are overbought, they are not as overbought as up here. Now that is again a weekly divergence. Divergence is when the price moves away from the technical indicator. And you can see at this last rally here, okay, you can see that that didn't reach the highs of that. Oh, it's very simple. The market has just diverged. So now let's take a look at the daily chart. There you can see the levels quite a lot better. You can see as we're starting to come down, are we making that little bullish flag? Or what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw even more trend lines on it. So I'm going to take that high to that one there. Now you know that all this around here is good support. We've got it from resistance over in this area, so obviously that is going to act as support. You can see where we kissed that trend line on Friday, and Friday we had a low of 74.74. This is the main area, I think, for Ftse. You've got three really good levels where it shouldn't go below. You've got all this across here, and that is tying in with this line here. So don't forget that. What is the trading strategy for Ftse? I still believe at the moment you're looking to sell into rallies. Ftse's got up in steps since June. You can see it up, down, up, sideways, up. Now, a continuation pattern doesn't take too long to form. So really, this bullish flag here, when we broke it and went up to 75.91, we really should have kept going. We didn't. So it's a bit like, oh, hang on a minute, what's happening here? I still think Ftse goes higher overall as long as we can hold, as I said, this strategic support down here. If you look at the indicators, you can see the daily stochastics are just about entering that oversold position. The RSI is flattening out. The ROC is below the zero line, but if you can see, it's moving up to touch the zero line. So you're going to get buyers and sellers. The weekly charts look not great, I have to say, on the indicators, but as I always say, price is paramount. We had a lower close on Friday than on the weekly chart, so that's not looking too good. You've got the 9-day moving average coming in at 75.24. You know this level here on Friday, Friday's high at 75.48. You know that's going to be a problem as well. But really, we need to take out this 75.75, and then I believe you can go back and test that high up there, which is at 76.23, 26 area, okay? And then we look again. Good luck, and I will catch you later on the desk.